Kia ora. My name is Rob. I'm the AFC product manager at Izon, and today I'll be showing you a quick fix for your AFC if the pump sounds like it is working but no liquid is flowing. Occasionally, the tubing contained in the pump housing can flatten and prevent the motor from turning the rotor flange. If your AFC is flushing and the motor is making a noise, but no liquid is flowing through the waste tube, then this is likely the problem. This can be fixed in about 5 minutes following these simple steps. First, ensure the AFC is off and the power cord is unplugged. Since your AFC will likely contain liquid in the drain pump if the drain is not working, you'll want to remove these 2 tubes leading into the pump housing over a sink or waste container while wearing gloves and any other appropriate PPE. Once the liquid has drained from the tubing, you can now remove the tube housing from the unit by pinching the clips on the sides of the housing to detach the unit. Lift the housing off the drive shaft of the motor carefully. Opening the housing unit by pinching the clips on the top and the bottom of the unit and pulling the cover off, taking care as the flange may fall out. Inside the housing, there are 3 rollers used to pump the liquid through the tube. Remove the tubing from around these rollers carefully, making sure you don't pull on the tubing clips so the length of tubing in the pump remains correct. Inspect the tubing for any flattening and pinch the tubing along the length between the tube clips to round the tube back to its original shape. Replace the tube clips into their holders and gently push the tube back around the rollers so the housing unit is like so. Clip the cover of the housing unit back in place and then slide the whole unit onto the drive shaft of the motor and clip that back in place. Then replace the tubes, ensuring the tube from the AFC goes into this side of the pump and the tube to the waste goes out this side of the pump. Your AFC waste should now flow. If this is not the case or this problem occurs repeatedly on your unit, please get in touch with your local Izon rep through support@izon.com to arrange your unit to be repaired by our engineers. Thanks.